Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get Prime for free on Amazon. If you haven't had Prime yet on your Amazon account, then you can try it out for free for 30 days. And in order to do that, go to amazon.com, log in into your account, and then you can go to Prime over here, hover over here, and then you should see this message over here with this button, try Prime free for 30 days. If for some reason you cannot find it over here, you can also go to your account. So go to the top right corner and then click over here, and then you can click on Prime. Over here you will see this page where you can start your free 30-day trial. Click on it. Now what you can do is add your credit card if you haven't added yet, or if you have gift cards, then you can use your balance from gift card. Otherwise, like I said, add your credit card or any other option which will allow you to simply pay in the future for the Prime. Of course, since the first 30 days is free, you can just use your credit card or whatever, and then after you claim your free Prime, then you can cancel the subscription, so you don't have to pay for the next month. And after that, once you select your payment method, you can click continue over here on the right side, and then you can proceed with the instructions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.